That should be enough juice. Okay, you should be able to hear me now, but never. Bad. Let me just see if I'm live again. That should be enough juice. Right. Can you hear me? Mm. Finally. Okay. Yeah, I'll need to post a story again. Hmm. No, it's cancel anyway. So, oh, works in our favor. Mm. Mm-hmm. Right. We are live. Alright, good thing in the post story didn't post, so we are good to go. But I'm hoping the mic will stay sometime. No, not that. Mm-hmm. Alright, okay. What we're gonna do today? I'm hoping the stream stays on a bit longer. Then, as soon as Mike's gone, I'm gone too, basically. But what's okay? What we're gonna do today? We're gonna so you see our main thing was our hiding mechanic was a bit too off apparently. So we decided to change it actually. We decided to add this one. So you can hide like this now. You see? See? It's pretty cool, right? Like this, hiding like this. And these you will see all over the place. See? Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. And again, here one more. This one doesn't show properly yet, but that's fine. And we actually added we added a lot more things that you didn't imagine. Also, we changed the crouching bit. So you can crouch, obviously, that's one of the main things. But if you want to sprint, you go directly into sprint instead of crouching, like you can just go, see, like that. So yeah, we decided to fix that, right. And yeah, we added a lot more things than we can. So, what today am I going to show you? I'm going to show you how to make work with the proper. Why is my story not post? Come on, post. Hmm, this one, no. Yeah, okay, sounds good. All right. So, what we're going to work on today? What we're going to work on today is I'll show you how to make this hiding mechanic work like that one, and I'll also show you how to change the sprint to how to change how to go from crouch directly to sprinting. Is there a connection? Wi-Fi not working. It should be working over here. Yeah, how to go crouch directly to sprint. That's what we're gonna show today. Let me just change the screen for that where I need to show you. I mean, that bit is pretty simple actually. The hiding bit is actually a bit more complicated than I can care. Then I can basically it's a bit different. Let me show. Right, first things first. What I can show is what you need. All right, what you need. You can see, right? All right, yeah. What you can. So what you need for this? What you need a hiding space, obviously, and you want to make sure that the front of the hiding space is a bit, transparent, which is I can show you there. The front of the hiding space transparent. You need a boxing collider on the hiding space. You need a tag called hiding space, which I've already shown you, and you need a camera, which is like an overlay, shows you the angle of where the player sees it from, basically. See, right here. It shows you where the angle is actually. So that's two things. That's two things I want to show you. Then now I'm going to show you the code on how this basics, on what basis this will work. Oh, there is not that, not that. And there is my Visual Studio. Okay, there is my Visual Studio and hiding space. So you make a camera, which is right there. Camera.main or transformation. Actually, no. Let me show. I'll go hiding, and you'll be able to see wherever the hiding is mentioned. Right. Let's go from the top. Like that. Yeah. Hmm. So this one obviously is hiding true or false. That's what we already discussed. This is a hiding spot. We already discussed that. And you need to remember original play position, okay, and the original camera rotation. Make sure you always know that. And hiding spot camera. You make these three more addings, these three adds. If you're screen the old hiding video, if you haven't yet, see it, and it will give you a better explanation. But and there's also called is hiding, but I'm going to show you what I've added, not what we already discussed, because if you haven't joined yet, what are you doing? You should have joined us way from before, like from the start. You don't need that, and you don't need that, you don't need that. Okay, is hiding, nothing you need to worry about. Handle hiding, that's what we need to worry about. So handle hiding, e was press, start hiding, simple. Lock. That's also one more thing. We lock the player movement. So you see when you're hiding, you only see front. You like this. You won't be able to see the back. So you just go shh, 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 shh. That's it. That's all the camera angle will be when you're hiding. So yeah. So lock player movement. This is what you need to know about. So input that move, you don't can't move while you're hiding. So input dot vector goes 0. Dead. Input dot sprint goes false. So when you can't sprint while you're hiding, obviously. Input or crouch got false, you can't crouch while you're hiding, obviously. And input or jump goes false. You can't jump while you're hiding because you're stuck in a closet. If should lock, if you're gonna lock, optionally log a camera rotation. So rotation, we already have discussed the camera of the first person, right? First person camera is basically always on the front, right? Like that. That's it. So what this does is get the camera, you like take it like this, and you just go. Oh, the camera can't go there and camera can't go there. So you should lock the camera rotation basically. So if camera is null, then hiding is not null. Sorry, hiding spot camera, they're gonna both gonna interlock with each other. So when the position of the hiding lock camera is here, the player camera is here. Basically, what they're gonna do is go in between like this. See? So this is my top. No, wait. This is my top camera. This is my hiding space camera. Player's camera goes there and goes in the middle, and you can see the middle of whatever the camera is. Okay, it transforms, and if not, then it shows me a warning, which you already know. So original thought position. When we do start hiding, when we press that E key, what happens? Original player position goes to the transform dot position, which is our hiding space, which I've already shown you. Okay, and original camera position is goes to original camera. See, camera.main.transform the rotation. That's where the camera is going to be paused once you're on the system. Got it? Hiding spot, I already shown you. This is the same bit. Transfer rotation, both goes to hiding spot. Hiding spot camera, hiding spot camera point. So, which I've already said before. Hiding spot's there, camera's there. Oh, please keep going on. Uh, Hiding spot's there, camera's there, and you go middle. Boom, done. And again, let's go hiding again. And into our interaction text, we already discussed that. Clockwise movements, already discussed that. Oh, please don't. My mic is about to go out. Alright. Stop hiding, same things, but everything goes to false. Lock play movement goes to false, camera operation goes to false, transform rotation. I want to do this before the mic goes out, so please bear with me if I go a bit faster. If collider hiding fade to camera, you just need to see this actually. So hiding for collider, try hiding spot camera, and same point. I already showed you. Camera point goes to camera point, and see again same bits. So it's nothing that we haven't already discussed, right? Yeah. Okay. Camera rotation. Please stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on. You stay on. All right. Is hiding. Camera floor delta the multiplier. Current device. So when you have the camera goes 1f. Time delta always goes 1f. So time delta is 1f, meaning everything is going on according to time scale. You always remember every game should be on a time scale, nothing more, nothing less. One is basically 60 frames per second, apparently, around that, and zero is 0 frames per second. Velocity was velocity, so it's gonna log the rotation speed, log that delta multiplier. I'm showing you, but again, my camera is about to go out, my mic's about to go out. Transfer rotation, cure, clamp, you'll clamp the position, and again, that's your camera rotation. Stuck. I would say copy this code, but I want to explain what's going on as well. So camera rotation goes minus 30 up, and Euler hiding spot rotation goes plus 30 up. Why was? Y is this? Y is this? X, no way. X is this, Y is this, Z is this. Okay? Where else is hiding mentioned? Hand of play hiding already showed you, is hiding already showed you. And yeah, that's pretty much our hiding done. I want to also show you one more thing. Wait, I haven't changed anything. So what's okay? Mm. Okay. One last thing. Camera. We have also increased the camera angle that we show the things on. So how the camera angle changes. Camera angle basically changes from this field of view. That's it. That's pretty much all you need to do. All you need. Wait. And I'm changing back to the Unity. Alright. We have also changed the camera angle. Camera. You go main camera. Can you hear me now? Hear me? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
You can. Oh, hello, mic testing. 1, 2, 3. All right, you can hear me. Great. Okay, okay, okay. I can show more things now. Main camera. Field of view changes here, literally here. If it's try to change it to vertical if you can, but that's better. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to know about camera angles. We have changed the camera angles that you need to know. Okay, also will show how to go from crouch to directly to sprint. All right, crouch. So let's go from the start actually. hmm So the okay. So what I'm gonna work on is can use crouch. That's one more thing. That's you don't need to worry about. That's another. That space. That's another video actually. I'll show it in another video. Crouch action we already talked about. Crouch settings. That's already been discussed. Crouch action. That's already been discussed. So I'm not gonna talk about that. Handle crouch. So basically, all you need to know about the crouch bit. So if you're crouching, then your sprint speed goes back to 6 if you're crouched. But if you're not crouching, so let's say adjust height. So if it's crouched, then controller height goes back to the hold height, the crouch start, and crouch end. Crouch end, I'll show you about crouch end. Crouch end, what crouch end does. There's handle. So So all you need to know is we already have a move, right? That's basically what controls the moving of the things. Already moving of the player. Moving of the player is already controlled by first person controller and move. So basically one set of code. That's it. We already have told you about the normal height and the crouch height, right? So input, if you go sprint, which is a shift click, which is a shift key. If you go sprint and you go stop all coroutines, so all the coroutines will stop. That's crouch. That's everything that's currently going. When crouch is going on, only thing that's going on is crouch, nothing else. So that's the coroutine. You know, if you have something else going on, don't add stop all coroutines because that's might backend your game. Not backend. Why am I saying backend? Not backend your game. It's basically gonna might mess with your game. Okay. So if you have not you have no coroutines, if you have some coroutines going on while you're trying to implement a crouch mechanic, don't add stop all coroutines. That's one piece of advice. Start coroutine, adjust height, which will be back to our normal height. Again, crouch time, speed sprint goes to normal speed sprint, move speed goes to back, crouch goes false, its crouch goes false. Crouch and invoke. That's it. That's all you need to know if you want to change from crouch directly to sprint. What else have we changed? So yeah, that's one more of the things I've also added. I don't actually know much. because if I do, it's already one video. But yeah, that's what you all need to know. And we will basic voice. Oh, I'm sorry for what went this message. Uh, hear me now. I'm sorry, guys. It's because sorry about that. Sorry about that. I forgot to charge my mic, and it's not fair to you guys. At this. Yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what we're gonna talk. That's what we all need to talk about today. So I'm gonna end the stream here because we already explained pretty much everything that needs. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy our upcoming videos. Thank you.